Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by matching versions. Install the Godot Mono build and the same. Net SDK. Once done, create a new Godot project and enable Mono support. Make sure your editor points to VS Code or Visual Studio for IntelliLicense. Then add a C# script to any node. Godot generates the csproj and assemblies. This immediate step gets you a compilable workspace. It's the foundation. Make sure the project path has no unusual characters, and confirm Godot recognizes the SDK in editor settings before moving on. You now write gameplay logic. Open the generated CS files, override methods like ready and process, and attach scripts to nodes. Once attached, use export to expose variables to the inspector and connect signals programmatically with connect or via the editor. This keeps wiring explicit. Make sure to use Godot types, vector2, node path, properly and convert when necessary. Mismatched types cause runtime errors. Also structure code with namespaces and partial classes to keep scenes and logic modular. Then save scene. You finish by building and running scenes. Use the Godot run button or attach the C# debugger from your IDE to set breakpoints and inspect variables. Once done, iterate. Fix compile errors, adjust exported values, and test scene transitions. If things go wrong, the most common problem is a mismatched or missing. Net SDK, confirm editor settings, point to the correct SDK, and regenerate the project files. As a troubleshooting tip, delete the mono and VS configs, then reopen the project to force a clean rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.